what do you know, folks? It's your boy Tim coming to you from the highway. From inside of this Gen 3 Viper. It's one that you may have seen before. We did an engine rebuild on this one because the engine had been assembled with heads, cam, and some other stuff at another shop. I don't even know where, I don't know who it was. But not everything was put together properly. It was, some of it was less than desirable. The crankshaft was a little marred up and there's oil leaking out from behind the balancer. So we got the engine fully rebuilt. Obviously it's back in the car, it's running, driving. We just got our 500-mile braking period done on the new clutch that's in it, and now we're taking it to our friends at Big 3 to get this thing dyno tuned. Now this car was tuned obviously before it ever came into our shop because it had all the aftermarket parts on it, but it was never really dialed in. So we're going to get it fine-tuned at Big 3 Racing in Hinckley, Ohio, and that's where we're going to be coming back to you from here shortly. So stay tuned to see some tunes, and you can maybe even see me act like a cartoon. So we'll be back, folks. We are here at Big 3 with the Big 3 boys, and let me tell you, what a fine establishment this is. We take all of our stuff that needs dyno tuned to our guys at Big 3. Unless it's something they don't really specialize in, then they'll give us their honest and professional opinion on who to take it to. But let's get this thing pulled in, let's get it on the rollers and see what kind of juice we can produce. All right, so we got our Viper off the rollers, and as you've seen, our friends at Big 3 had everything dialed in, got it fine-tuned, and now it's running smooth. It made 559 foot-pounds of torque and 559 wheel power. So very healthy car. It's ready to have some fun. So that's going to wrap this short video up. But you know, if you want to see more content on this Viper, make sure to check out our website, link in the description. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe. So make sure you stick around, and until next time, stay safe and have fun.